This is the best Quest 2 accessory, and today I'm going to tell you why. But first, some housekeeping. In my opinion, there are two things the Quest 2 absolutely needs that are not optional: a head strap and a facial interface. Ultimately, those are the best Quest 2 accessories, but from an optional accessory standpoint, this is by far my favorite Quest 2 accessory ever. Stick around till the end of the video and I'll give you what I think are the best head strap and facial interface. But first, what the heck is this? These are the Soundcore VR P10 wireless gaming earbuds. Yes, that's right, wireless earbuds. Wireless earbuds in a charging case are extremely popular due to things like Apple EarPods, but these are designed to work specifically with the Quest 2 for ultra low latency. That's right, these are ultra low latency. That means that you can play games like Beat Saber or online shooters with no noticeable latency, which is a game changer in my opinion. I despise wearing over-the-ear headphones with my Quest 2. Then you gotta worry about the cable if you get another kind of earbud. These are totally wireless and totally amazing. Now it's funny because Soundcore actually reached out to me to send me a pair of these for a sponsored integration, which I did a few weeks ago. And I was so impressed by these earbuds, I had to make a standalone video that, by the way, is not paid and is my personal opinion because they blew my mind and continue to do so on a daily basis. It comes in a really cool charging case. Inside that case, you'll find a USB-C connector that you plug into your Quest 2. When you plug this into your Quest 2, what it does is actually creates a direct Wi-Fi connection between the earbuds and your Quest 2, allowing for that ultra low latency connection. But what about if you use a battery pack or you have a battery head strap? That's totally fine. It's got a power pass-through USB-C port right on the wireless dongle. And if that wasn't enough, you could actually dual connect these things, so you can have it connected to your Quest 2 through the Wi-Fi connection and to your phone through Bluetooth, so you can be playing VR and still hear when that phone call comes in. But that's not it. If you get extra dongles for this thing, you can actually connect to multiple devices and switch between them inside of the mobile app. That means you can play your PlayStation 5, your Steam Deck, your Switch, or your Xbox with the same earbuds with ultra low latency, and you don't even have to take the dongle out because you can wirelessly switch through devices inside of the mobile app. Now, it only comes with one dongle, but I believe the plan is to make them become available. The ease of use of these things just adds even less friction to the Quest 2 experience. Everything else is already wireless. Wireless controllers, wireless headset. Why should we need to have wired audio? And now we do not. Now, inevitably you'll say, but the Quest 2 has audio in its head strap, which is great and it does work, but these things are way more immersive. It's got a really good and resonant bass, and I was actually hearing some things because they're earbuds and directly pump the audio into your ear canal that I did not hear with over-the-ear headphones. Musical cues and environmental sounds, which made things even better, even just sounds in the home environment. Honestly, this is one of those accessories that I will never not use. It works both with Quest 2 and Quest Pro, by the way, and the convenience of having this is just fantastic. The only downside I will say is it does not allow data pass-through. So if you're gonna connect it to your PC to sideload or offload videos, you will need to unplug that USB connector. I'll put some links down below where you can grab them. Meta has them. They're currently $99, but right now on Amazon, at least when I did this video, it's $79, so it's $20 off. If you wanna grab those, the link's down in the description. Now, I told you I was gonna give you some tips for the Quest 2 head strap and the facial interface. Well, the head strap that I'm currently using is actually the Kiwi battery strap. Again, there'll be a link to that down in the description. There are other options too, so comment down below with what you use for a head strap and maybe someone else will agree and want to pick it up. As far as facial interfaces, I've always used VR cover facial interfaces. They're just fantastic. Kiwi also has one, which I'll put a link to down in the description, but for me, VR cover has been a fantastic company and they've consistently produced really good facial interfaces, so I'll put a link down to them below as well. But there you have it, the best Quest 2 accessory in my opinion, plus those tips for a head strap and a facial interface. What are your thoughts? What is your favorite best Quest accessory? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more VR content. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and happy questing.